Hi, today I want to talk about the question, what should you do when you get sued by a creditor, when you receive a summons? Um, so if, if the creditor is in the process of suing you, one important thing you want to avoid is that the creditor actually receives a judgment against you. And why is this? One of the reasons is if the creditor receives a judgment, he might freeze your bank account. He might garnish your wages. And when he garnishes your wages, if you're employed, first of all, you have problems with your employer because it causes work for them. Sometimes people get in trouble. The employer doesn't want to deal with garnishments. And you might lose 25% of your income that will go to your creditor. If you file bankruptcy at some point, it will stop the garnishment, but in most cases, what the creditor receives before filing, in most cases you don't get this back. So if you consider filing bankruptcy, you might want to do it before the creditor gets a judgment. One of the important reasons you don't want to wait until the creditor gets a judgment is a judgment might mean a lien on your property. If you have real estate, you definitely want to avoid that the creditor is getting a judgment against you, because a lien on real estate in most cases survives the bankruptcy. So in a Chapter 7, we can't do anything about a lien on your property. In a Chapter 13, sometimes it is possible to get rid of that lien, but only in specific situations. So as soon as a lien is placed on your property, you have a problem because it might survive the bankruptcy. If you file the bankruptcy before the creditor gets a judgment, it is much better because it will stop any lawsuit and it will wipe out the debt, so you don't have to worry about it. So if you are receiving a summons, if you're getting sued by your creditor, one thing you want to do is talk to a bankruptcy attorney about your options. And even if the appointment is the court date is in a few days, you still have enough time to either file bankruptcy or get at least a continuance for your court date, so that you have enough time to file bankruptcy, wipe everything out, and then rebuild your credit. If you are living in the St. Louis, St. Charles, Metro East area, we offer a free consultation. We can tell you what your options are, and then you can make an informed decision. The worst thing is not doing anything. If your creditor is getting a judgment, there are attorney fees added, there are interest added, and it is really difficult to get rid of a judgment after the creditor gets a judgment. So the most important thing is doing something before it happens. As I said, we are glad to talk to you. Call us. We offer a free consultation. Thank you.